Hello guys, welcome back to Study on Point. We offer you assistance for all your placement needs. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel to get future job updates and crack your way to your dream company. So friends, in this video, we are going to see the types of questions which are asked in Accenture interview. So a few days after you give the communication round, you will receive a mail from Accenture to book your time slot for the interview. After this, you will get a mail from Accenture about your interview slot details and link for the interview meeting. On the day of the interview, you will have to be connected in the interview lobby 15 minutes before your allocated interview slot. Now let us look at the questions. So the first question which is very common in all the interviews is tell me about yourself. So mostly everyone knows how to answer this question. So let's move on to the next question. Second question is what is your project? Means they want to ask what was your major project in your college. The next question they're going to ask is what are the technologies you used in this project. So you will have to explain the different softwares you used in the project and you need to explain all the details of the project. The next question is your role in the project. So they expect you to tell what you did specifically in your project. The next question, what were the issues you faced in the project and how you dealt with it? So this question is mainly asked by interviewers to know whether you are capable of managing the projects by yourself or not. The next question, what are the programming languages do you know? So you will have to tell whatever programming language you know. Then a few questions will be asked on these languages. Another question can be related to your extracurricular activities, hobbies or interests. Then next question, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So also they may ask you questions from the things which you have mentioned in your resume. So you can expect questions like these in your interview. So as you can see, it is a combination of technical and HR interview. So the questions will not be very technical, but you need to be very sound with your resume. So you just need to know everything you have written in your resume. Be calm and confident. They don't expect much from you as they know you are a fresher. So have faith in yourself. You have already passed so many rounds, and if you have performed well in all the rounds, then your chances of selection are quite high. All the best. If you think we have missed something, feel free to let us know in the comment section below. We will be happy to know. So that is all for this video. If you found this video useful, please press the like button and subscribe to the SOP Academy channel. Thank you guys. We will meet soon with another video. Take care.